bring you the high demand for COVID-19 testing. Testing sites in Miami-Dade and Broward counties experiencing extremely long lines with an hours-long wait.
The way it's going up right now, it's going to get worse before it gets better, that's for sure. We don't expect things are going to turn around in a few days to a week. It likely will take much longer than that.
Florida's daily case count still climbing. Nearly 18,000 new cases were reported to the CDC within the last 24 hours.
And you just heard it right there with Dr. Fauci. It's expected to get worse before it gets better.
We won't see the effects of the holiday gatherings for another couple of weeks either.
And Local 10's Leanne Morjon is live from a testing site at Zoo Miami, where people have been waiting up to 5 hours to get swabbed. Leanne.
That's right. That's what one family told me as they were heading out. They said that from the time they lined up outside Zoo Miami to the time they finished their test took them 5 hours. That is why officials are asking anyone that's planning to get a test at one of these public sites around South Florida to pack their patients. And more importantly, bring water, bring food, and also bring a full tank of gas. Hundreds of cars lining up at COVID-19 testing sites across South Florida. At Zoo Miami, we met folks willing to wait hours for their turn to be swabbed.
How long have you been in this line?
Since 10 o'clock. Almost 2.5 hours, over 2.5 hours.
Some came feeling symptoms of COVID-19.
Are you guys feeling sick or?
Yes.
Others just came as a precaution.
We just want to make sure, that we're truly negative so that, we don't see family or get together with friends if we're sick.
Just because some of my coworkers came out positive.
We saw similar scenes at sites like Tropical Park off Bird Road near the Palmetto, Douglas Park, Mills Pond Park, and CB Smith Park. With cases and demand for testing going up, one woman we met said we may need more sites to keep up.
I think they might need to open new testing sites. Again, I think the Ten Miami one used to be open, but now it's closed. I think it would help if they opened it.
Clearly there's demand.
Yeah, and there's surge all over the country.
Unless it's raining.
Meanwhile, more lines at Miami-Dade County libraries, where at-home tests were handed out 3 to a household. Tests running out in about an hour and a half, with trucks arriving to replenish supply in the afternoon.
I'm going to have them around for my family, and if anybody feels sick, just to have a safety net.
And our Parker Branton, who reported live from the Westchester Branch Library this morning, said that officials there told him they may be getting more tests tomorrow. No guarantees there, though. We also know from officials in Broward County that they are asking for at-home test kits from the state in order to hopefully provide some sort of giveaway like they did in Miami-Dade. For now, reporting live at Zoo Miami, Leanne Morjon, Local 10 News.
All right, Leanne, and U.S. health officials have cut isolation restrictions now for those who test positive for COVID-19 and are now asymptomatic from 10 to 5 days. It comes after research shows people with COVID are most infectious in the 2 days before and 3 days after symptoms develop. Close contacts of the person infected can also skip quarantine if they have gotten the booster shot, but should wear a mask in all settings for at least 10 days.